Okay, this is a 1955 Chevrolet that we are selling the entire rolling stock. Everything is going, all we're keeping is the body. So everything you see here, the engine, the core support, radiator, fans, air conditioning compressor, even that master cylinder, the power steering box, everything's going with this chassis. We're only keeping sheet metal. Sitting on some 15-inch Krager Super Sports with brand new Continental rubber. I think they're, no, I'm sorry, it's Cooper tires. Brand spanking new. They're Cobras. The exhaust system, everything is new. Fuel tank with a working sending unit. I'll start it for us. I think starts up pretty easy. Nice and tight. Real smooth. Krager's in really good shape. Like I said, tires are brand new. Yeah, motor makes good water when it runs. That's a nice sign. Nice and tight. Raise her up. Take a look at the base. Hadn't started it in like 2 months, so the battery was a bit low. So there's virtually no mileage on this chassis. We're putting an Art Morrison chassis into it. There we go. So it does have a 55 Chevrolet rear end under it. This chassis does have an aftermarket shock bar, and it is welded in. I don't know if you can see that. Has these coil assist shocks on it. They're brand new. It has Flowmaster mufflers on it. It has a Turbo 350 in it. It does have an aftermarket pan on it. These are aftermarket calipers, but I believe they're Chevelle style. I am pretty positive on that. I do not know what these spindles are, but they appear to be. I would hazard to guess that they're just a clone of a height. It could be a height, but I don't know that. Get you a light. So, yeah, there's no identifying marks on them. They are an aftermarket spindle, though. And so if you look at the frame, it is very straight. You look at usually you look at these horns on these chassis and they're dimpled from somebody bumping into something, but these are straight as heck. Same goes for the rear chassis. You can see there's no flex or dimples in it. So it just has this ugly undercoating on here. It makes everything look like it's oily, but it's actually paint. So, fully functioning, all parts are here for the emergency brake. Everything works very well actually on emergency brake. I'm very happy with that. And that goes with it. So that's it. So we're going to sell this. This is available as of right now, today, which is the 6th of August, 2022. And we'll accept any offer over $7,500 for the entire setup. And if you need us to install this under your body, we can do that for you as well. That price would be negotiated based on your car. So that's the Multimedia Garage for sale day. Let us know if there's anything we can do for you. 831-320-2977.